Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Students, we can see different organisms around us from huge to tiny ones. Today we will discuss about these organisms. Some of them are very tiny that we cannot see them with our naked eye. We can study them under a microscope. These organisms are called unicellular organisms. Examples are amoeba, euglena, paramecium and chlamydomonas. And other type of organisms that are made up of millions, trillions of cells, and they vary according to their structure, are known as multicellular organisms, in which big plant, trees are included, and animals and human beings are also included in multicellular organisms. And students, the union of cells is known as tissues. When many cells combine together for a proper function, they make a tissue. Today we will discuss about some kinds of tissues. First of all, plant tissues. In plant, there are three types of tissues to perform specific functions: epidermal, vascular and mesophyll tissues. Students, first of all, epidermal tissues. Students, these are the tissues that covers outer surface of roots, stems and leaves, means all of the plants. Students, these tissues also protect the internal parts of the plant. As you can see in the picture, outermost layer is of dermal tissues. It means these are epidermal tissues that protects the internal part of plants. Next we have vascular tissues. Student, vascular tissues perform the job of transportation. The vascular tissues are of two types, xylem and phloem. The job of xylem is to transport the water and minerals from roots to upper parts, and job of phloem is to transport the nutrients and prepared food from leaves to all plant. And next we have mesophyll tissues. The tissues are present between the lower and upper epidermis. Students, these are formed in the leaf to prepare the food, because leaf prepare their food in the presence of sunlight, so they help in preparation of food. And now we will discuss the animal tissues. In animals, there are three types of tissues: epithelial, nervous, connective and muscular tissues. Students, first, epithermal tissues. Students, they are found all over the body. The outermost layer or a thin sheet of similar cells is known as epithelial tissues. They cover all of the body and it provides protection to all parts of the body. And they also protect some delicate structures of the body. Next we have nervous tissues. As the name shows, these are found in the nervous system, means in the brain. The job of nervous tissue is to control all of the body parts. Next we have connective tissues. It connects the different parts of the body. Different types of connective tissues perform different functions. For example, bones and cartilaginous tissue provide support to the body, and blood tissue transport nutrient and waste, etc. Next we have muscular tissues. Student, it is also involved in the movement of the different body parts such as arms and legs. There are three types of muscle tissues: skeletal, cardiac and smooth tissues. Students, I have complete here all the description about your topic. Inshallah, we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.